This is called the River Box, and it's going to be used in Secret Love of Peach Blossom Land, and it's sort of an old-fashioned theater effects machine where you have these curtains that travel on these curtain carriers here, and they have one picture on one, and then that picture opens to reveal something behind it, which opens to reveal something behind it. Each of these carriers here will hang part of the curtains, part of the goods. And these lead carriers here will travel on until they hit in the middle. And when those curtains are together in the middle, they have a picture painted on them. And then they'll pull apart and stack back here into this space. And so we need to put all of these pulleys as far back into here as possible to keep them out of the way, so that all of those curtains can pack into this small amount of space. And to do that, with all 6 of these curtain tracks, we'll have to change direction with some of these pulleys in order to get them to all be drawn off stage on the back side of this unit. There are 6 of these curtain tracks, and then here is a spinning drum that will have a continuous loop of fabric on it, so someone can crank from outside the box and it looks like the river is moving behind a scene of some sort right here. Michael Locher is the designer, and he sent the renderings to the paint shop.
This is an historic moment. Hey, this is fantastic.
And they've spent the last week or so painting these 6 drops here that will have the pictures on them. And there's like a village scene by a river, and then there's another sort of river-like scene on them, and they represent different locations in the story. And so the paint shop's taken a look at those renderings from Michael Locher and has been producing them. They're all ready to go. As soon as we get these lines run, we'll be able to hang the goods, and then it will be ready for tech this week in the Bomer.